So this is a building on Kelburn campus, and it has a student ID reader. I recently got my student ID, so I tried to get in, but... Yeah, damn Wellington, I see you. I also see my house. It's like right over... Where's the fucking... Oh, whoops. It's right over here, you know? Just like right over here. Real specific. Is this just like how this guy want to do right now? Because I'm okay with that. I also definitely just almost hit myself in the face with a fern. Just enjoy this advertisement for nature in the middle of nature. This place already looks really different from the park we were in, what was it, a week ago? 2 weeks ago?
Central Park?
Yeah.
Yeah. Different vibes.
Different vines?
Vibes.
Oh, vibes, yeah.
V-I-B-E-S. Vibes.
I mean, I think there's also different vines, but I wonder if with a better lens or binoculars or something I could see my house from here. Maybe? Huh. This natural noir thing? Is that anything? Is that this? Yeah, no, that's definitely a trap. That's definitely like a Pokemon style trap. That's some Tom and Jerry, some Wile E. Coyote shit right there. You go first.
No. Gentlemen first.
No, go ahead.
Mm-mm.
I have to document this.
No, you can document yourself. Keep that audio in. Guys, once we get out of this,
you know I am.
Yeah. Just to chill for a bit. Because I want to be out here the whole time with Noir. Yeah.
So Alex passed up with the 6 acres. And then there's loads there. I should be going out. And my name's Patrick. Chairs, and tables, and some people turn them in.
Eye contact.
Water bottles. Oh, coming. Oh, yeah. That's awesome.
Okay. Hello, you guys.
Shout out to Miranda.
Lipstick on your chair. Oh my god.
I just like taking videos of like everyone. Let's just have a little break.
This dog has really weird logic. I threw this stick out there, and now it's not doing anything, but I throw this rock near the stick. What? Nothing? Puppy, what are you doing? Come on. You're on camera. Now it goes out. No, it's going. dog does not go for the stick when the stick is thrown. It only goes for the stick when a rock is thrown next to the stick. And nothing. Nothing.
Make them come here and really rehabilitate the environment. So you can see a lot of yellow-eyed mice.
Look at the little thing that's right here. What should I put him back on?
Yeah,
This is the most saddest. Like, look at my hand over here.
This is a wandering
Sucking
anemone.
to it. Look at all those little things.
So you saw all of the orange and white ones down at the back? Yeah. This is a different species.
Alright guys, this is a wandering anemone.
I wiggle the food so they can pick up on it.
Well, that's Mickey Mouse, I guess. Because there's Donald. Much more convincing Donald. But Mickey has some issues.